In this video, we're going to show you how to change your Widex wax filter. First, you'll pick up your pack of your Widex wax filters and open it up. Then you'll pick up your hearing aid and you want to remove the dome on the end of the receiver. Once you pull the dome off, the little white filter inside is the part that we want to replace. Remove one of the black sticks from the wax filter kit. On one end of the stick is a removal tool, and on the other end of the stick is a new filter. Snap the removal tool into the existing wax filter and pull it straight out. Turn it around and push the new filter directly into the receiver. Do not force it. Place the dome back on the tip of the receiver, nice and snug, so that it doesn't fall off or get stuck in your ear. And that's all there is to it. To learn more, be sure to click subscribe and ring the bell for notifications on videos just like this one.